Crochet and Handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make an Indian flag badge. In this we need first color is green color. This is dark green color, 5 ml cotton yarn, and the second color we need a white color, 5 ml cotton yarn, and the third color is orange color, 5 ml cotton yarn. For the knit of sun, we use this blue color. In this we need for badge is this safety pin. In this we also need a scissor, needle, and the hook size is 4 millimeter. So let's start. So guys, first we start with this green color. Grab this yarn, hold this in this way, yarn, make a cross, put this into this way and pull, make a slip knot, insert the hook into this point, make 9 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, skip this 9th one, insert the hook into the 8th one, yarn over, pull through up. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, insert the hook into this next stitch, yarn over, pull through up, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, insert the hook into this next stitch, yarn over, pull through up, make single crochet. In every single stitch we make a single crochet. Repeat this. So repeating this, this is our last stitch. Yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now chain 1, turn your work, insert the hook into this space, yarn over, pull through up, make a single crochet, insert the hook into this next stitch. I am grabbing this yarn to hiding, make a single crochet in every single stitch. I want to cut this. The next one is our last stitch. You can see. Okay, in this yarn or pull through up. Now I am doing is that the changing color in this point. First make a slip knot, leave this yarn and grab this white color, pull this 2 from this way and chain 1. So chain 1 and turn your work, insert the hook into this point and pull this into this way. this yarn over pull through up, make a single crochet over there, insert the hook into this next stitch, yarn over, pull through these two loops, make single crochet in every single stitch. At this point, this is our this last single crochet, chain 1. I am doing in every single 3 rows. I done this 3 rows. Now I am doing for this chain 1, turn this work. Now make in every single stitch, make a single crochet. Now in this point we change the color. Now the color we use is orange. First I want to cut this previous yarn. Make a slip stitch now. Oh sorry, slip knot. In this point, insert the hook into this. Make chain 1. Turn your work. Insert the hook into this first stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Hook, make a single crochet. I want to cut this little bit longer. Make every single stitch single crochet. Chain 1. Turn this work. Yarn over, pull through up. Make single crochet in every stitch. This end again the second row. Then we will meet. So guys, I reach in the last stitches. Single crochet completed. Now chain 1. Cut this yarn. pull this out. Now secure these yarns. You can use any side. Secure these yarns. Secure and hide these yarns. Then we will meet. So guys, I done all these and hide these. You can see I hide in this way. Now cut these extra yarns. You can see now the next part we do is that for mid finger, first cross this from the finger, insert the hook into this point and yarn or pull through. Up we make a magic ring, chain 1, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn or pull through. Up, make a single crochet 6 times, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close this magic ring and insert the hook into this first stitch, make a slip stitch over there, chain 1, cut this yarn little bit longer, pull this out. Now we do is that we insert this into this point, in this midpoint. In this point, insert this into this way, and every single stitch of this chain, insert this and pull this out into this way. pull this back. Now I am making this our their knot. Now cut these extra yarns. Okay. You can see our Indian flag is ready. So guys, after this making flag, we need this and glue gun we have needed. For this, you have need to put this into this way, and we do is that we secure into this way. So put this glue gun into this way. This into this way and here this. Now carefully press this. Let it go. Now you can wear this. Now you can wear into this way. You can see it's ready to wear. I hope so you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and still connected with me for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.